All right, guys, good morning. Yes, let's get started.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Days of the week. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Yay, guys, we are finally Friday. And it's May. The month is May. What is the month? May. So today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. So today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. The weather is partly cloudy. That means it's gonna rain some more. And it's gonna get cooler outside, guys. It's gonna be in the low 80s. Remember, continue to review your social skills. Don't quit. That means that you gotta keep pushing and give no excuses and do whatever it takes to complete any task you are given. Remember to continue to exercise, run around, get your energy out, play basketball, play with your brothers and sisters, or play with your dog. Just get a lot of energy out and make sure you drink a lot of water. For our social skills lessons, what are you doing this weekend? I am going to celebrate Mother's Day. So what are you going to do? I think we're going to cook out for my mom because it's Mother's Day. I hope you guys do something special for them. And for today's agenda, we're going to continue working on IEP goals. Make sure you submit your picture for a grade because it is important that we get our grades in. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me and I will answer and respond back. Let's get started.